Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to an introduction to the Ethereal Soul Ascension 180-day program. It can be, if you decide to join us, my guides and I, on a revolutionary path to really opening up to yourself, to your unlimited potential, to the limitless possibilities that are already within you. You cannot have a desire or a dream or a vision without it then being possible, more than possible, for you to not only attain, but then to exceed. But how do we do that? How do we get from here to here? There are lots of steps in between. And that is why we start with the SoulPath blueprint. So if we're meeting for the first time or connecting this way for the first time, hello, beautiful soul. I am Angel Lady Terrie Marie, the Christologist and energy alchemist. And we, my guides and I, would love to work with you if this is a fit for you, if this is something that you can see happening for you. So we start off with your customized SoulPath blueprint. It is a way to connect, to reconnect, and really focus in on your vision so that you can really get a deeper sense of why you're here, what it is you want to do, what it is you see yourself doing and accomplishing in being of service to others, as well as being of service to you. It is also about aligning you with your unlimited potential, the limitless possibilities of prosperity, abundance, joy, happiness, all of it, one step at a time. And we do this at your pace. So there's no rush. If you need a little extra time, we can do that because this is for you and about you. This is not something that is just, okay, this is what we're doing and you don't have any say. Absolutely not. Everyone has their own path, their own energy, and their own pace. Personalization, customization, tuning into you. My guides and your guides working together through us for you. And attunement is about clearing energy, raising your vibration, and tapping into what makes you unique, because there's only one of you. And no matter what it is you are doing, what your path is, only you have your vibration that other people are attracted to. An attunement helps to clear the pathways mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and energetically to connect more easily, more clearly, more consistently, and for longer periods of time to not only your inner intuitive self, your higher self, the universe, divine source, and your guides. Now that may sound like a great big thing, but we do that naturally on so many levels already, and it's about helping the conscious mind to just for a little while. And activation is then connecting those points so that the fibers, the energetic fibers, if you will, are clearer and crisp, and you get clarity and you have a better understanding, and you can even have conversations, telepathically with your guides and even with your inner intuitive self. And we'll teach you how to learn the difference between the voice that's right here in the front of your forehead to that which is really guidance, so that you can more easily trust what you get and even then ask questions to make sure you understand the guidance right. There's no wrong way, but when you understand it more clearly, it makes everything so much easier. And ascension is then transitioning from where you were and where you are, because everything that has come before now has helped you get to here. So this is the starting point, right? So we'll talk about this being where you are at the moment. And it's increments. So it's not like whoop, and you have no control or it becomes overwhelming. Now it might at some point, but that's why I'm here to help you navigate, to manage, to smooth the edges and clear the way. So here you are, in ascension. How high do you want to go while still being grounded and navigate, manage where you are? My mom used to say to me, child, I do not know how you manage to have a foot in each realm. She was talking about the spiritual, metaphysical realm, the fourth dimension, and being grounded. Well, most of the time, yes. And sometimes I get to ground as well. So then transcendence is rising above whatever the blockage may have been or continues to be or continues to, pop up when you're trying to do something. When you want to go beyond, when you can see the vision, that's where the Ethereal Soul Ascension 180-day mentoring program is different, because there are energy clearings. There are so many layers to peeling away all the stuff, all the junk that has been keeping you held back. Yes, you have made improvements. You have made breakthroughs. And then sometimes there's a backslide. So what do you do with those? How do you move those forward? That's the work that we'll do together. I hope that you will say yes. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'll be in this together. You and me, your guides, and mine. Namaste, beautiful soul.